Hello everyone, I hope you enjoy your weekend. I surely enjoyed mine. I still did some crocheting, though not as much, not to the point of making one scarf a day. Those of you who don't know, earlier this year I started taking crochet commissions as a way to supplement my income, and right now I'm working on a big commission of crocheting 9 Lacy scarves. This is the scarf number 5. I documented and shared on my channel my progress of crocheting the previous 4 scarves. So I'm about halfway through with my commission and I plan to finish it all this week. The pattern that I'm using is available on my YouTube channel, but in that video tutorial I actually crocheted the scarf with worsted weight yarn. But now I tried the same pattern with this fine yarn and it worked out great, and that's what I decided to use for this scarf. Oftentimes in the comments to my crochet tutorials, people ask me, can I use this pattern with a different weight yarn? And the answer is yes, of course you can use it with a different weight yarn. Obviously it's going to have a different look, but what you can do is make a swatch or a small sample and see whether you like it. So that's what I did here. I tried the pattern that was written for the worsted weight yarn with fine yarn and I liked it, so I used it. For those of you who are interested in this pattern, I will leave the link in the description box below. This pattern is quite simple. There are only 2 repeating rows and the stitches used here are double crochets and chains. Here is my finished scarf. It sparkles so beautifully in the evening sun. So this is scarf number 5 of my big crochet commissions. I need to crochet 9 scarves and this is scarf number 5. I made it 60 inches long and 8 inches wide, and it is 60 inches long when it's laying flat on a hard surface, but when it is worn it stretches a bit more vertically, so it stretches additional couple of inches. And the yarn that I used for this scarf is Universe Hobbii, 98% acrylic and 2% polyester, and this specific color is color number 38. I can put the scarf onto the pile of the finished scarves right there, and now I have one more scarf to make with this same yarn, Hobbii Universe, but this color is color number 9, and this color actually has more of gray tones in it, so I'm excited to see how this next scarf is going to turn out. And here are the pictures of the finished scarf on a mannequin. It has a beautiful soft drape and overall it looks very pretty. And after finishing the scarf, I had it outside. I'm very lucky to live close to some beautiful picturesque trails, and this was such a lovely peaceful evening. The colors of the sky were absolutely spectacular. I'd say that crocheting and walking out in the nature are 2 of my most favorite things to do. Being out in the nature always fills me with peace, gratitude and happiness. After my nature walk, I was still able to get some crocheting done, and this is the beginning of the next scarf, but I will tell you all about it in the next video.